Welcome to Gelous nail art tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to do a swirl nail art by using 3 different gel polish colours and mixing them together. After completing your nail prep, apply a thin coat of pink rubber base coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of pink builder gel and cap the free edge. This is called a slip layer. You don't want to cure this step. Apply a small bead of builder gel and push it towards the cuticle area, making sure it does not touch the skin. Gently move the builder gel from left to right, working up the nail, then cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail, as this will help even out the application. Alternatively, you can do 1 to 2 thin coats, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. If your builder gel has bulked to the free edge, gently file your nails back to shape. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply 1 to 2 thin coats of Spilt Milk, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. You'll use little Tart, Oasis and Whiteout for your swirls. Using your thin nail art brush, paint an outline of your swirl using a little Tart blended into Whiteout. When you fill in your swirl, alternate between the 3 colours, making sure you blend them together. Make sure to cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. Thanks for watching.